Nifty falls below 5600 after a sharp sell-off as the Reserve Bank of India keeps rates on hold. Banks and realty stocks are off by 2% from the day's high as the governor dashes rate cut hopes.
And it, of course, defies pressure from the government to lower rates. The benchmark rates left unchanged, but the CRR for banks slashed by 25 basis points. 17,500 crore rupees of liquidity injected in the banking system.
Governor Subara indicates at easing monetary policy further in the March quarter. However, inflation remains a concern in the near term. The Reserve Bank says it expects WPI to rise before easing in the final quarter of this fiscal.
And in key earnings today, auto major Maruti Suzuki may report 25% slip in its net profit on back of lower sales volumes and price hikes. Pharma boys, Dr. Reddy's and Biocon are also slated to hand in their report card. DRL may report 20% jump in earnings.
Hello and welcome. You're tuned into Market Sense right here on ET Now. Well, Vijay Mallya has finally broken his silence on the Kingfisher crisis. Speaking exclusively to ET Now's Sumit Chaturvedi, he said that a comprehensive revival plan will soon be presented to the government.
Sir, when are you going to give revival plan? That much you can say, sir. Just that much, sir.
I'm not going to give a TV interview to anybody. Suffice it to say, I'm here. I briefed the Secretary on a status of the revival and restart plan, and it's going to be totally comprehensive and detailed.
So, but about the issues of Airport Authority of India and views, they are saying so much that, they...
I cannot comment on what Airport Authority says. I have not gone and met them. I came to brief the Secretary.
Okay. A concrete plan of revival for KF is soon, is what Vijay Mallya says. This is exclusive to ET Now. The first time that he's spoken about this. That's down 2.5%. But what demands attention is not that, but what's happened to the banking space. And that's really the big talk. It's probably not as much a disappointment of a no rate cut coming as also the provisioning going up, which has really led to the PSU banks and the carnage thereof. So in OBC, a Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, look at the kind of cuts. A Canara Bank 4.5%, a PNB down close to 3.5%. So these are amongst the top losers in trade. Strong cuts that have come into these, and no surprises out there. I think the increase in provisioning would be something that would disappoint most. I would also very keenly watch out for some reports to come out which speak about what the kind of provisioning has been for the banks till now, because with the provisioning going up, certain banks which haven't really had too much of a provisioning shown till now because they waited for some time to come might actually have a very big blot on the quarter this time, and that might be a very interesting statistic to watch out for as well. But for now, yeah, the Bank Nifty has given off a lot of the gains.